Well, here is my 1976 Chrysler New Yorker. Possibly the last video I'll do on this car for my channel, but it's been a good run. I love the car. I have reasons I'm selling it, unfortunately, but things happen and these things need to be done. But yeah, I've loved the car to bits. It's done everything I wanted it to do. Done loads of work to it as well, mainly the engine, but still a lot of work. And yeah, it's gonna be sad to see it go, but it's going to a good owner. I think it's going to a good owner. We haven't confirmed it yet, but I don't want to get stuck and not do a video, one last video on it. But this is my Chrysler New Yorker. Probably not the last time I'll have an American car. Before I even ended up with this, I was searching for a 76 Eldorado, and then this one popped up. So things happen, but you never know, I might have something in the future. But as for now, I'm sorting the collection out, getting rid of a couple of cars because yeah, big plans for next year. So this one unfortunately does need to go. 19.3 feet long. It's a V8 6.6 litre 400 bit block, mighty engine on it, and we've done loads of electrical bits to the engine and everything. I got both window regulators restored, which is nice because getting them are quite near impossible now. And the red wheels, not everyone is a fan of the red wheels, but I am. I mean, look at the size of the boot. It's just absolutely crazy. They definitely don't build cars like this no more. 76, 78 is roughly when they stopped making cars completely like this. So everything changed in America, and yeah, you'd never get cars like it again. So yeah, I'm gonna be saying goodbye to it very soon, I think. And yeah, so thank you all for watching. Thank you all for who watched the videos on this car. And like I said, it's not my last American car. There will be others, I'm sure, but for now we're gonna say goodbye. And yeah, I'm gonna have to have a bit of a moment with it before it goes. But thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and bye until next time.